Here the hydraulic oil is flowing inside the pipe. You can see here the actual pressure. So now the tractor is open. You can see here, this is the pump is rotating. You can see here the hydraulic oil is flowing inside the pipe. You can see here the actual pressure is around I think 1 bar. So once I increase the pressure, we also increase. You can see there it's increasing. So you can see here. See, I'm just using 10% of the power. Just 10% of the power I am using. So you want to see the mic controller? This is the controller. This is the antenna where I'm getting the data. These antenna are receiving the data. You can see here, this is a controller, Arduino controller. This is the first one for the motor and this first one for the hydraulic system. So once, if I press here, you will see the motor will stop. Let's see. And then stop. It means I'm trying to reset, so it start again because I press reset button. So I decrease the speed here. You see, if I turn, so the motor is kissed. Let's just stop the motor. You can see there it's like the both Arduinos are lighting, and you can see there the motor, two motor. And actually it's a little bit hot inside because the hydraulic system is a little bit hot. So those two cylinders very fast. Okay, I think it's everything. The teeth for the show.